In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on those three dots at the top right one and select Settings. Then adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to, like silence after. When you're done, go back and tap on this plus at the bottom on the right to create new alarm. First of all, to adjust it, set up an hour at the top. Then select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Click on ringtone, and by tapping on Add New at the top, tap on any song from your device. You can also just pick one of those sounds. Wherever you decided, when you finished, click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Then select Label. Label your alarm however you wish to if you wish to. Hit OK. And finally, save your alarm by hitting Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off completely, use orange switcher next to it. To turn it back on, click on the gray one. If you wish to make some changes to your alarm, click on it, edit wherever you wish to, and tap on Save. Lastly, to get rid of it, hold it, click Delete. Also, if sometimes when you hold it, it doesn't select right away, so I have to click on it, and then click Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!